Hello. Woohoo! Look at me dance. Woohoo! Yeah, I can do that move. Alright, so I can do that. So, here we go. What is this place? And what is this machine? Oh, it's throwing out fruits. Let's see, what fruit do we have here? This is an orange. Yes, it's orange. Banana. Watermelon. Yes. These are three fruits. Let's see. What's the color of orange? It is orange. It's orange in color and it's called an orange. That's a banana. What color is the banana? Yellow. Banana is yellow. And the most interesting, the watermelon. The watermelon is green from the outside and it's red from the inside. Let's see. Yes, it is red from the inside and green from outside. Woohoo, that's interesting. So let's get back to the machine. I was throwing out all the fruits. Let's see what this one would do. Let me touch it. There. Oh, that's an orange, that's watermelon. Oh, that's a grenade. Watermelon. Yeah, nice. So today we have learned about the colors of these fruits and the fruits themselves. So let's leave it the rest for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Woo! Yeah.